Mweri umwe kuuma makiria aruti wira ngiri imwe mabutu Itemi-ini ria guthaitira igoti ria kaunti ya Meru, Gavana Kiraitu Murungi niathundurite kanju ya mwanya iria ritigagira mitaratara ya kaunti ni yakinyanira.
The Meru Economic and Social Council is now formally and officially launched.
Kanju ino igikuruhania athomi kuuma ikiro cia uramati wa kigina kia muingi kuuma icigo ciothe cia umbunge. Wira wao munene ari kumurika sekta iria ibatie gutangikirwo itanya inene riri kuiganania uthii wa na mbere hari o gicigo kia umbunge.
We have studied the National Development Plan and we are trying to align our county integrated development plan, our CNDP, to it. So we want to capture the four pillars.
Agia atongoria aria marekinyetie giikaro-ini giki ni hamwe na Deputy Governor Titus Ntushu, Minister wa maundu ma mbeu njithi Professor Margaret Kobia, muikarigiti wa mutaratara wa Lapset Francis Muthaura, o udumwe na Senator Mithika Rinturi.
Whenever you've been given an opportunity to serve, do it diligently, do it to the best of your ability, do it answering to your conscience.
The secret of really a county doing extremely well is how well you work with national government, because you can get your budget, but if you have a good working relation, which I think we are going to enhance now, then you are likely to get other benefits.
Let's be strategic. Let's think about how to maximize our resources and our opportunities, and the first step to that is unity. And if, Governor, you haven't done anything else today, you've shown us the color of unity.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ni njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.